What is up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I have very exciting news because finally at last, it's been a long time coming, 3 freaking weeks, and we finally have the part that I've been waiting for like ever. And I'll show you guys what it is right now. Gonna have to open the garage door. Boom, look at that. We have the heads back. And I'm actually so excited to get these on the engine. They look so clean. Like, it's unreal how good these things look. But finally, it is time. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna clean up, but yeah, let's get right into it. I'll set everything up real quick and we can get started on the engine. Let's go. All right, I have everything set up, and let's go ahead and take a quick look at the heads real quick. As you can see, these things look freaking amazing. Oh, they look brand new. They were cracked, he fixed them. Like, this is insane. So these are the same heads. He just basically almost rebuilt them. Look at that, beautiful. And then we got the engine here, and we're gonna get right into it. All right, first head on, guys. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. So we're gonna take the cams out and the cam caps off. And we gotta make sure they stay in the correct order. Make sure they stay in the same place, all right? Let's go. Okay. Got the 5W30 from Napa, non-synthetic. Put some of it on the threads. Perfect, and then we're gonna put some on the washer as well. Put some on the washer. Camshafts in, and we applied a little bit of ultra gray gasket maker right where the cam caps are gonna go. Just a tiny bit, you don't need a lot. So then once that's in, we're gonna go ahead and get the caps in and tighten those down to the specs.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so we finally got both the heads on and the cams as well as the cam caps. And I also put on the water pump and test fitting the oil pump, but we have to prime it before we put it on, so we're not going to do that now. And while I was putting on the heads on, we came into a problem. I was torquing them, and unfortunately, it's hard to see in there, but one of the caps, one of the bolts broke off in there. So that is a slight dilemma that we have run into right now. But after, once we get that figured out, everything should go on pretty well. I'm not too worried, I don't think. So we just need to get that out, and we'll probably do that later on. But yeah, we got the water pump on. I haven't torqued it yet, but I had to take this piece off to put the water pump on. And I'm test fitting this. It's kind of fitting on tight. But yeah, once the oil pump's on and we can get the valve covers on and everything, and we should be set to just like put everything on quickly. This is just kind of now the bigger things is just going to be the valve covers and getting these cams set. And yeah. Alright guys, that's what I'm going to end the video for today. I know we didn't get much done, but at least we got the heads on and the water pump on. Once we fix the cam caps and we get all of those on, it should be pretty smooth sailing from here on. If you guys are enjoying the content, go ahead and like and subscribe and comment if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.